Hey Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Sprayway brand glass cleaner. I'm going to test this out on the front windshield, the interior, see if I can remove some fog, some grease, and we'll let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
Alright, so you can probably see that my glass is a little bit dirty. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and shake this up, spray it. So you're supposed to do it from about a foot away, 8 to 10 inches. I'm going to spray it right directly on this device. This is a separate device, does not have anything to do with the Sprayway glass cleaner, but it helps for me to get in there. So we're going to go ahead and do that and film, and hopefully we'll show you what it looks like now. Hopefully we'll get rid of some of those streaks, specifically kind of stuff that you can see right in there. So like I said, I'm just going to kind of spray it on this and get a little bit of a foam there action, and then we're just going to go ahead and kind of rub that right in. And let it dry a little bit, because I can see the streaks actually moving as it's drying, but it looks like I'm going to have to probably do this a couple times. Now what I also see is the exterior window has a bit of a line from my wipers, because it kind of hits right along that line. So that I'm not going to be able to deal with too well right now, but we're going to go ahead and try and keep getting this a little bit cleaner, because I'm not loving the way it looks right now. Alright, so while not perfect, significantly better after use. Again, just kind of spray and then use a towel and then use the microfiber cloth to kind of figure out the remnants. So I'm going to clean the front and see if that helps at all. So overall, very, very impressed with this. Again, just gonna kind of keep cleaning the window here. But I don't know if you can see at the bottom, and I know I'm probably not doing a great job of demonstrating this, but there's a little bit, I'm hoping the camera's picking it up at the end, where there's little spots where the fog is still visible, right about there. You can kind of see the streaks because I didn't get too deep into it, but overall I'm very impressed with kind of the way this cleans. So I'm going to do the other side, but to me, totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.